Azvina kumira zvakanaka muri yeZimbabwe. Ndadzoka zvekare, regedzai tipinde pane nyaya Mukanya. Mukanya ndadzoke baba wangu timbotaura nyaya dziri kuitika. Dzakomana muri yeZimbabwe nzwai nyaya iri panapa pari kutaurwa. Pari kunzi the legendary singer Thomas Mapfumo suffered a stroke. His family has told Zim-I, revealing that this was after the 2-year ordeal of being subjected to Wicknell Chivayo statement coercing him to take the convicted fraudster's money. Dr. Mapfumo spent over 25 months conducting Zim-I for assistance to stop Chivayo from publishing statements with his name, a development that has seen the controversial Mnangagwa Hedge fund holder obtaining publishing assistance from a UK-based journalist Lance Guma, the reverting events after capturing in the following footage. On the video, Wicknell Chivayo thanks Lance Guma, "Thank you for being a wonderful friend before MP Job Scala's career is destroyed," as he adopts a fake Mandela accent influenced by Guma's other friend Wopo Chingono at a Mapfumo show, as Guma dives Chingono around UK and blessed Geza's 100 activists are jailed after Chingono's falsified that Geza soldiers have deserted army, stolen guns, and Chris Muchangwa has fled to Dubai. Later, Geza returns to Zimbabwe in a coffin as his activists remain incarcerated in the period. The legendary singer spent over 25 months telephoning Simba Chikanza for help to stop Chivayo, who is a convicted fraudster, to stop posturing him or so that he accepts Chivayo's monetary gift for over 2 years. Mapfumo repeatedly pleads with Chivayo and his ZANU-PF party to stop publishing his name over Chivayo's money offers because, as he says, is causing stress and distress to him, because all he wants are his 5 cars back, the vehicles which were seized by ZANU-PF run people illegally and unlawfully about 30 years ago. He says he is traumatized by statements that suggesting a possibility of the hard-working artist touching money handed by a convicted fraudster. Famous quotations. The Betrayal local news, assisted by Lance Guma, Wopo Chingono, loads more statements confusing Scala until the sharp MP ends up walking out of prison, walking like a Mandela incarnate. His career and public respect suddenly ends after recording statements influenced by Chingono. Meanwhile, Wicknell Chivayo continues repeating his rambling. At one time, he is supported by Chingono to harass both Mapfumo and Chikanza, Mapfumo's own mouthpiece, to stop Chivayo's statement. Later, Thomas Mapfumo suffers a stroke as a result of Chivayo's statement. His family tell Chikanza Mudara is not well. He suffered a stroke. His current UK manager Tau Cheten also weighs in his concern, saying Mudara is not well after the stroke, urging that people must stop harassing him. But in July, a journalist, Lance Guma, betrays trust and goes ahead to republish more Chivayo statement in his now vulnerable situation. The 81-year-old is forced to record a video supporting Lance Guma's algorithms that praise Chivayo as a businessman, when in reality he is a convicted fraudster and a person of interest in multiple jurisdictions over money laundering allegations. Executive Banji. 2 years after Mapfumo spent 25 months complaining that he doesn't want Chivayo's money and he does not want his name published alongside Chivayo's statements, Lance Guma published that Chivayo, who is a convicted fraudster, is a businessman. Guma also publishes a statement purported to be Mapfumo's contradicting the elderly singer positioning accepting gifts. Guma has spent the last week virtually drifting Mapfumo's wishes from a function singing fee to a straight cut gift. African political analysis. Lance Guma was approached for a comment and inini zvinzvana ningikini zvinzvana simba izvi zvinzvana simba izvi zvinodigira because inini ndatoda nyaya yekuti Mukanya anga akarohwa nestroke. That is the reason why ndazoverenga hangu zvese because tisingadi kuzonge tichirasikirwa nenyaya tichizotazonzwisa kuti chii chinenge chichiitika ipapa. But guys, let's be very honest, inini nyaya dza Simba Chikanza dzekuzonetsa nana Lance Guma nana Wopo Chingono handizvipindire madhira avo mameno maybe kana vari same age boys ndikoko I don't care matambira avo ikoko muleague ravo if they are in the same league I don't even know inyaya dzavo hatingadzipindire because even if you go in Simba Shkanza's comment section, people are saying Mkoma Simba magaro enyi mimi, we could have offered him money for work he never coerced him, as you allege. Kubadara kuita basa rake also Mkoma lenzi vaka kurudzirai chiko tipe guma rinenge mutserendende wemajinyo. So you really are punk, yeah? When are you going to get job? Honestly, saka, you know, some people, they don't even take him serious, but I'm not saying I'm not taking him serious, because I just get to read the article yake anyora, because ndrechida kuti pinde pane kuti Mukanya vaketa stroke ninyaya dzacho. But guys, kana munhu azoita stroke inyaya here dzekuti aita stroke because anga ari off kwamari na week now. So pacho guys, we just have to be tofana kungova honest about nyaya edzo dzidzi, kuti munhu aita stroke nekuti off kwamari na week now here. Because, you know, to me this story doesn't make sense, and not because how Mapfumo was coerced. Why is just the way you Mapfumo can get a stroke there's a youth yaki, but not because I don't like Chivayo, I don't like Gananda, and at the end of the day futi, I'm not supporting Mapfumo utoreshi mari Gananda mdara seane mari wakura zvakanaka, anditi hapasina zvochadzishandisa dzisina zvachicha kuheupa mulife mako at the end of the day. Saka yes, vanhu vanogona vakafona yellow shamari mudhara is not feeling well, mudhara is not well, we understand that, but pakuzoti week statement week ndo akastrokesa mudhara. Iwe mudhara asarenga kare vanhu vaya vangori wiki rechekare awana akatisadare. Anyway, handingadzipindire kusvika kure nyaya dzacho.